Welcome to Inspire You Today, the channel that's dedicated to providing valuable content that enlightens, motivates, and equips you with the tools to navigate life successfully. If you find the content beneficial, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments section. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we upload fresh content designed to uplift and inspire you. Today we're delving into the world of online money making, a topic of interest for many in this digital age. In 2024, opportunities to earn a living online have never been more abundant. However, it's crucial to approach them with knowledge and caution to avoid pitfalls and maximize success. Firstly, think about what you love doing. Maybe it's writing or graphic design, perhaps it's consulting or teaching. There's a high chance that there's an online market for your skills. Websites such as Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients, providing a platform to earn money doing what you enjoy. Next, consider affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a strategy that's seen tremendous success, especially when coupled with a strong social media presence or blog following. E-commerce is another viable option. With platforms such as Amazon or Shopify, you can set up an online store selling physical or digital products. Remember, the key to success in e-commerce is providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. Online tutoring or coaching is another booming industry. If you have expertise in a specific field, consider offering your services online. Platforms such as Udemy or Coursera allow you to create and sell courses, reaching students globally. However, while the internet offers a wealth of opportunities, it also hosts potential pitfalls. Scams have become increasingly sophisticated, and it's essential to stay vigilant. Be wary of opportunities that seem too good to be true, ask for upfront payments, or don't provide clear information about the job. Furthermore, ensure to protect your identity online. Investing in identity theft protection services can be beneficial. Be cautious when asked for payments or personal information, especially from individuals you've recently met online. To summarize, making money online in 2024 can be a rewarding venture if approached correctly. Identify your skills or interests, choose the right platform, and market your services effectively. Stay vigilant against scams and always protect your personal information. Remember, the goal is to turn the internet into a tool for financial growth while maintaining a sense of safety and security. This has been Inspire You Today, providing you with tools to navigate and succeed in today's digital world. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Until next time, stay inspired.